So, you want to own a rental property? Well, my name's Garret Wong, owner of Upper Edge Property Management, and in this segment, we're going to be dissecting the concept of cash flow. So cash flow, what does it mean? It's difficult to find a definition. It's funny, I Googled it. If you Google cash flow, you actually get the cash flow board game from Robert Kiyosaki. So quite simply, cash flow refers to the flow of money in and out of a company, okay? Now you remember in the last segment, we're trying to think of your property management or your property investment business as a company. So let's redefine what we're talking about here. Positive cash flow, so you take all of your income minus all of your expenses, and whatever's left over is cash flow, and hopefully it's positive. So what kind of income are we talking about here? Well, we've got rental income, laundry income, parking. What about expenses? Well, the obvious one, mortgage, property taxes, insurance. You've got maintenance and repairs. Even in the case of multifamily building, you would have utility bills. If you're not able to or comfortable managing on your own, you might have to add property management fees in there. Good cash flow really depends on the property. It depends on your expenses. It also depends on how much you spend on the property. At a certain point, the mortgage payment is going to be too high compared to the amount of rent that you can collect. And in my professional opinion, based on 20 years of analyzing this for our clients, in a single family home, you're going to hope for $100 to $200, let's say $150 to $200 after all of the above expenses. A duplex, maybe $300 to $500. Triplexes or larger, and apartment blocks, obviously that depends. This is for properties managed by our company, so that would include property management fees. So to wrap up today, what did we learn in this segment? Well, how to calculate cash flow. But some or most of you might be disappointed in the amount of cash flow. Many people think they're going to quit their job when they, with the income from that one property. But for $150 to $200 per month, you'd honestly make more, delivering newspapers. So why do we do it? Why own a rental property? The answer is actually in the next segment, where we're going to discuss appreciation. See you next time.